Okay, I just want to quickly give you guys an update. Now, this is only and strictly available for the people who are connected to the bots. Okay, whether VPS, whether the server, mobile or VPS, you're connected to the bot. This is available for you. Okay, because I know few people have been talking and asking about Signal only if they want to also trade. Now, I don't want to start directing you to my Signal page, which are variations of signals. So I wanted us to stick to accumulator majorly. So I've provided one signal setup for accumulator, and you'll find it here on your own page. Once you get in, you just click on Signal only. Okay, this is not meant for you to be doing 20 trades, 10 trades, 30 trades. No, it is just 1 or 2 trades per day if you want to. Now, and remember, you need to establish discipline. Now, I need you to understand these are results of accumulator, and its setting is for 10%. Okay, 10%. Okay, this setting is for 10%. Now, the way it works is that all these reports you are seeing, they are only for selected, not normal. Okay, because normal has plenty. Okay, normal signal has plenty. For you to trade normal, what do you need to do? You need to have it down. If you want to trade with notification, you activate your notification. You'll be readily on your Deriv accumulator page. Once the notification pop up, you click enter. Okay, that's how to use it. Or you open 2 different web pages, one for the bot, one for the accumulator, and then you trade them. I mean on your browser, okay? It's just that I know accumulator always select, it wants full screen. So it's always selecting. That's why sharing screen page for accumulator is always very difficult. So once you are able to set it up, you are only waiting for entry. Okay? The signal and the entry for the normal, they come at the same time. I didn't have time to start sorting them so that I will prepare you. Oh, it's almost there. Oh, get ready. Yeah, let's enter. No, I didn't have time to prepare all that. So they come the same time. The signal to entry will just come, boom, and boom. You make your entry. Okay. Now this is the count that is going on the accumulator page on Deriv. Okay, this is the same count, so you can check and see for yourself. So, but I will recommend, this is my recommendation on how to use this. Use selected. Now, selected is done in such a way that once signal is available, it will show up here. It will show you here. It will tell you here that signal is coming up. Get ready. Are you getting it? It will tell you signal is available. You are going to see it. It's going to indicate that signal is available. It will indicate that, oh, upcoming signal available. Then you'll be waiting for entry. Entry is what you're going to be waiting for. Okay, so, but for normal, it is just, the signal and entry come at the same time. Pum, 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 pum. I didn't have time to start sorting them. So it comes at the same time. You get to trade it. What I want you to do is so that you understand how to trade first with it. Okay, set up your page, open up your browser. I cannot split on my, I think I can split now. I'll try and see if I can split it and then take a recording so that you'll see how to trade with it. Okay, this is signal basically for accumulator only. It is not available anywhere else. I have not provided the signal before. I'm just opening it up right now, and there is a reason why I'm putting it up. So very soon those who are on the server and the VPS will get to know. So it's as simple as this. This is how easy it is for you to use it. Okay, you can see that they both showed up. Now I want you to see the results. You have in a day, you can see the trade was won. You can have over, in fact, in a day, you can have, the lowest I've had is about 700 of this normal. So I'm not interested in the normal. I'm only interested in the, let me select, and the selected I'm selecting, maybe out of 100, I get to see maybe 1 or 2 losses. That's better for me than all of them combined. So that's why I recommend you use the selected version, okay? Because it's the selected that our bot is also trading, not the normal. But the normal, you don't know when you can do 20 trades, no loss. 30 trades, no loss. Then the loss will just jump up and come up from somewhere. That's how they always come. All right. See you in another